If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak or intermittent, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve connection issues. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and then relaunch it. This can help refresh the connection to the game's servers. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Baldur's Gate 3 installed. Developers often release patches and updates that fix bugs and improve connectivity. Check for updates through a game launcher and install any available updates. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or interfering with the game. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games that may be consuming resources. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed to communicate through the network. You may need to add it as an exception in your firewall or antivirus program. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate connection errors in Baldur's Gate 3. Happy gaming!